Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward tutorial on how to send Tether USDT from Bitrue to MetaMask in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how essential it is to move your assets securely, and I'll walk you through this step by step to make it super easy. First things first, why do this? MetaMask is a popular wallet for handling Ethereum-based tokens like Tether, giving you more control over your funds compared to keeping them on an exchange like Bitrue. Before we jump in, ensure you have a few basics covered. You'll need a verified Bitrue account with some USDT in it, the MetaMask app or extension installed on your device, and a good internet connection. Also, double-check that your MetaMask wallet is set to the correct network, typically Ethereum's mainnet for Tether. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account and head over to the Assets or Wallet section. Find your Tether balance and click on the Withdraw option. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Copy your MetaMask wallet address. Make sure it's the one associated with your Ethereum network. Paste it into the recipient address field on Bitrue. Remember, Tether on Ethereum uses the ERC20 standard, so select that network if it's an option. Step 3. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees Bitrue might charge, and always leave a little extra for gas fees on the Ethereum network. Review everything carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification once it's processed. After that, switch over to your MetaMask app. Give it a minute or two for the transaction to appear. Once it does, you'll see your Tether balance updated. Success. A quick tip. Always verify addresses to avoid costly mistakes, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.